ಪಿಯುಸಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ನೀಟ್ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕುರಿತು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿವಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಿವಿಕೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸುಲಭ ಸರಳ ವಿವರಣೆ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಕೊನೆವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Even in the textbook, go and refer the economic importance of Fabaceae family. It is a member of the family Fabaceae. So just to see here this plant, and the habitat is terrestrial, as we know very well. After the habit, it is a herb, and it has a taproot system. All Fabaceae members, the taproot have the root nodules. Root nodules contain Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen symbiotically. So symbiosis means it is a kind of positive relationship between the two organisms where both are mutually benefited. Rhizobium fix atmospheric nitrogen, and the plant and the rhizobium and then supply same nitrogen to the plant, and then the rhizobium gets a shelter. Thus, both organisms are mutually benefited. Once again, I will repeat: habitat is terrestrial, as we know, and then the root system is the taproot system. Habit, herb, and root system, taproot system. Roots contain nitrogen, symbiotic relationship. And then, next to this system is weak and juicy. As we see in all herbs, it is weak and juicy stem. Coming to the leaves, very, very important. You see, observe these leaves. So, compound leaves. Such leaves are called pinnately compound leaves. That is also very important point, and it has pulvinous leaf base. There is little swelling can be observed in the base. This is pulvinous leaf base. Compound leaves with pulvinous leaf base. Important characteristic feature of this plant, Fabaceae. Compound leaves with pulvinous leaf base. And see the arrangement, alternate arrangement, and petiolate, stipulate, and then ovate, reticulate venation. The arrangement of vine and vinelets called venation. It has reticulate venation, ovate, reticulate, entire the margin, and acute is the tip. And coming to the inflorescence, we can see the young flowers at the top and old flowers at the base. This is a typical racemose type of inflorescence, what we can see. So Fabaceae have racemose type of inflorescence. Young at the top, old at the base. Racemose type of inflorescence. Coming to the flowers, you see pedicellate flowers. It has pedicel, small pedicellate, ebracteate, zygomorphic. From only one plane, if we cut flower, that gives two equal halves. Such flowers are called zygomorphic flowers, which has bilateral symmetry. That is the zygomorphic flowers, little bit irregular zygomorphic flowers. Bisexual flowers, complete hypogynous, heterochlamydious. We can observe the calyx and corolla, both calyx and corolla. Calyx, you see here, it is gamosepalous, and the petals are polypetalous, free petals. You can observe there is a large petal called standard or vexillum, and there are two wing petals, and boat shaped. Here we can see a little bit white one, boat shaped fused keel petals. That is papilionaceous type of corolla. Papilionaceous word derived from the Latin language. Papilionaceous means butterfly shaped corolla. It appears just like the butterfly like corolla, and there is a standard or vexillum and two wing petals called alae, and fused keel petals called carina. Papilionaceous type of corolla we can observe. And then polypetalous condition, as I told you earlier. So that is about the corolla. Estivation is said to be vexillary estivation. That is, this standard petal overlaps the other petals, and imbricate estivation showing in and out arrangement can be seen. Hence, the estivation is called vexillary estivation. Arrangement of sepal, petal, tepal called estivation. And once again I will repeat, and then after this estivation, next is androecium. In androecium we can observe, we have to, if we open the flower, we can observe 9+1 arrangement, diadelphous condition, dithecous anthers. Coming to the gynoecium, it is monocarpellary, monolacular, marginal placentation, superior ovary. And we can see the many number of fruits here. So old flowers are the fruits. Fruit is legume fruit. That is a dry dehiscent fruit which breaks open at maturity along both the sutures. Breaks open at maturity. Hence it is legume fruit. And seeds are non-endospermic or exalbuminous seeds. So that's about the explanation about this plant Indigofera, which is a dye-yielding plant. Now Fabaceae family ಅದರ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಚರ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಒಂದು ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ ಶ್ರೇಯಕಲಾ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ Fabaceae once again I will repeat. So coming to the habitat of this plant, here we can see the Crotalaria plant and another important plant of Fabaceae members. ಬಹಳ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ habitat terrestrial, habit herbs, shrubs, trees, whereas in case of theory we can say whether there may be herb or shrub or trees. Root and taproot system with mother root and secondary roots and tertiary roots. Roots contain root nodules contain rhizobium bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen symbiotically. So a kind of relationship where both organisms are mutually benefited called symbiosis anta igagle adanna explain madidini. Roots ಬಗ್ಗೆ stem weak and juicy. ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ in case of shrubs and trees, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ weak and juicy in case of herbs, ಎರಡು ನೋಡಿ in case of shrubs and trees. Coming to the leaves, so as I told you earlier, pinnately compound leaves with pulvinous leaf base. Alternate, petiolate, stipulate or exstipulate, ovate, reticulate, entire, acute. Inflorescence is racemose type of inflorescence. Young at the top, old at the base. And then that kind of inflorescence called racemose inflorescence. Flowers, pedicellate, ebracteate, zygomorphic, bisexual, complete, hypogynous, heterochlamydious. Calyx, corolla can be differentiated, and then coming to the calyx, gamocephalous condition, valvate estivation. Corolla, polypetalous condition, papilionaceous type of corolla, papilionaceous. The word derived from the Latin language, that is butterfly-shaped corolla. There is a large petal called standard or vexillum. There are two wing petals called alae and fused boat-shaped keel petals called carina. And the estivation is said to be descendingly imbricate estivation, or it is also called vexillary estivation, wherein floral diagram nalli ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು the odd petal ಯಾವುದಿರುತ್ತೆ, the standard petal, it overlaps the other petals, and overlapping can be seen in case of descendingly imbricate estivation. And coming to the androecium, definite dithecous, diadelphous condition 9+1, this is very important point, the diadelphous condition. And coming to the gynoecium, monocarpellary, superior ovary, monolacular with marginal placentation, fruit is legume. So in all this we can see the legume fruit. Legume is a dry dehiscent fruit which breaks open at maturity along both the sutures. Seeds are non-endospermic or exalbuminous. The complete endosperm will be used up in case of non-endospermic, which is another important characteristic features. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ important plants of economic importance ಗೆ ಬರೋದಾದರೆ Pisum sativum. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು. ಲುಪಿನ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೀ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಮುಲಿಯಾತಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪೈಸಮ್ ಸಟೈಮಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಗೋಫೆರಾ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಗೋಫೆರಾ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡೈ ಯೀಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಸೆಸ್ಬೇನಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈಫೋಲಿಯಂ ಆರ್ ಫಾಡರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಬೇಸಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ರೂಟ್ ಗ್ರಾನ್ಯುಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, compound leaves with bulbous leaf base, racemose type of inflorescence, papilionaceous type of corolla, polypetalous condition, vexillary estivation, diadelphous condition in androecium, monocarpulary, monolocular, superior ovary with marginal placentation, fruit legume, seeds non-endospermic. You important characteristic features of the family Fabaceae. Exam ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ, ನೀಟ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ